Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts! Today, we're going to hop into the world of all-you-can-eat decadent treats, exploring a scrumptious chocolate cake recipe together. So, without further ado, let's begin! First and foremost, gather all the ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, salt, unsalted vegetable oil, pure vanilla extract, whole milk, and baking powder. So, let's begin mixing them all together. Start by combining the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Then, gently add the vegetable oil, unsweetened vanilla extract, and milk, and stir everything together well. Next, time to bake this delectable cake. Preheat your oven to 350 F175C and line your cake pan with a thin layer of vegetable oil. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and pop it into the oven for about 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and once it's cooked through, let it cool for a few minutes before removing it from the pan. And what's that, folks? A perfectly moist and incredibly delicious chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. It's perfectly suitable for celebrating a birthday, hosting a dinner party, or simply craving a sweet treat to savor. Now, I know you're probably already thinking about how to make this cake even more delectable. To add some extra indulgent touch, feel free to sprinkle some chocolate chips or chocolate chunks into the batter. Simply sprinkle them in before pouring the batter into the pan. Trust me, this little addition is sure to take your cake to the next level. If you feel like taking it up a notch, you can even make a luscious chocolate ganache to drizzle over the top of your cake. To do this, heat some heavy cream in a saucepan until it just starts to come to a simmer. Then, remove it from the heat and add in a handful of finely chopped chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is fully melted and smooth, and then let it cool slightly before pouring it over your cake. And there you have it, folks! A mouth-watering chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a try. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for even more mouth-watering recipes and food tips. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!